Hello everyone, welcome to Science and Tech series with Dr. Ved Rana. Topic for today's discussion is from space section. There is a good news that PSLV C-50 mission is successful and it has successfully placed the intended satellite. So in this lecture we will be decoding what all you have to note from this important current development from space section. So if you have been following the space news, this should have been an easy one to note down due to the straightforward nature. In case this is your first ever lecture, then make sure you understand what all is to be noted in the space current affairs. First and foremost, whenever some space mission is launched, the first key theme which you will always see in the first paragraph is the launch site. From where exactly geographically the satellite has been, the launch vehicle has launched. So it is none other than the SHAR, which is the Satish Dhawan Space Center. It is also known as Sriharikota High Altitude Range. So it's in Andhra Pradesh, just 100 kilometers away from Chennai. So this is the site which you always see, so there is not much surprise in it. Now the launch vehicle is the rocket which is carrying the satellites with it. So India has mainly two set of the launch vehicles currently, either they are PSLV or GSLV. In future we are developing small satellite launch vehicles as well. So the launch vehicle, as the name suggests, it's going to be PSLV. So this was the 52nd flight of PSLV. It's a workhorse of ISRO which rarely fails. Only in PSLV C-39 it encountered a failure. Otherwise, all the missions have been successful. So this is another feather in the PSLV's journey of successful mission. So you can write the PSLV C-50. Now the main thing which you need to note in this given current affair is the satellite. The satellite launched this time is the single satellite CMS-01. So the acronym might be little surprised why there are just alphabets. In here this is referring to communication satellite 01. So typically, the heavier communication satellites, which are over 3 to 4 tons, are launched to GSLV, but this given satellite is just 1425 kilograms, so it was prudent to launch it through a PSLV. Even though the rest details would remain same, that it is being launched into geotransfer orbit and it will provide the communication services. So the nature of the satellite, as the name suggests, is the communication satellite. And the application which has been highlighted is that it is going to provide telecommunication services in the extended C-band spectrum. Now this extended spectrum will cover not only the mainland India but also Andaman and Lakshadweep. So these communication services are going to be helpful in providing telemedicine, disaster support to these islands as well. So in a way, it is extending the communication network further. And the highlights for which this given mission or satellite is going to be remembered is that this is the 42nd communication satellite from India. This is the 52nd PSLV mission, and you can say overall from Sriharikota, if we see, this is the 77th mission, because it's not that the Sriharikota is going to send only the remote sensing imaging or just PSLV missions. There are also GSLV missions as well. So this is the 77th mission from the SHAR. And the most important thing that this satellite is not something out of box. This is a part of the communication satellite series, and it is going to replace the GSAT-12, which has functioned for its shelf life of the 7 years. So it will be replacing GSAT-12 services. And the mission life for the current mission of CMS is once again 7 years. Generally, these satellites function for 7 to 10 years and then they become redundant, and then the new satellite to take up the services is sent in. So this is what you need to note in the PSLV C-50 mission. So this was the last mission of 2020. We had covered PSLV 49 a month back. So make sure in 2020 there are not too many missions which have to be marked up from ISRO domain. There are just PSLV 49 and PSLV C-50 missions, because due to pandemic It is difficult to just launch the missions from work from home mode, but ISRO has finally delivered once again, and hopefully 2021 is going to be busy year. We have some interesting missions coming up right from the Gaganyaan, which would be taken to next stage of development, and the Aditya L1 mission, which you can always view from our channel. We have already made a video on it, and then the small satellite missions, and PSLV-51 would be launched shortly, which has a satellite named Anand. We will be covering it in a separate lecture. So I hope this PSLV-C15 mission is clear to you. If you have any specific doubt, you can ask them in comment section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.